In this video, you'll learn how to make this diamond eye keychain design. My name's Nicola, the maker behind Rainbows in August. Let's get started by taking a look at what materials you'll need. You'll need some embroidery scissors, a keyring, an S-hook or bulldog clips to attach your work to a hard surface, and of course you'll need some macrame cord. Today I'll be using a 4mm natural macrame cord and a 2mm emerald green cord. If you're new to macrame, you'll need to know some basic knots, so here I'll provide a link at the top of the screen to help get you started. You will need 4 lengths of natural cord at 100cm each. Now you need to attach the 4 lengths of cord to the keyring using a lark's head knot. Fold the cord in half, place the loop through the keyring and pull the 2 strands through the loop on the other side. Do this 4 times, pulling down tightly on the cord. This will give us 8 strands to work with. We're going to start off with a double half hitch knot, working from right to left. The 5th strand from the left will be your filler cord. Hold the filler cord diagonally across the 4 strands to the left of it. Now take the 4th strand from the left and complete a double half hitch knot on the filler cord. To do this, pull the strand over the front of the filler cord and place it through the loop, then pull tightly. Complete this one more time. As you are tightening the knot, you should pull down on the filler cord. The strand you are working with should loop itself around the filler cord. Complete this knot again on the 2 strands to the left of it, remembering to hold your filler cord diagonally. Once you reach the very outer cord, we're going to complete the first half of the double half hitch knot, holding the filler cord in the same direction, and then we're going to change direction for the second part of the knot. Watch here how I switch the working strand and the filler cord. The filler cord has now switched direction, so we're working from left to right. Holding it here in this position, do one last knot with the working strand. Now we're going to select a new filler cord, which will be the 4th strand from the right. Once again, we're going to be using a double half hitch knot, but this time we'll be working from left to right. Hold your filler cord diagonally and complete a double half hitch knot using the strand immediately to the right of it. Complete the knot again using the next strand along. Once again, when you reach the outer strand, keep the filler cord in the same direction for the first part of the knot and then switch direction for the second part. Now we're going to complete a single square knot using the 4 centre cords. For this, the 2 centre strands will remain in place and we'll use the 2 outer strands to form the knot. Take the left strand and place it over the 2 centre strands. Then take the right strand, place it over the top of the left strand, behind the 2 centre strands and up through the loop on the left hand side. Then pull to tighten. Now complete this once more in reverse, so you need to take the right strand, place it over the 2 centre strands. Then take the left strand, place it over the top of the right strand, behind the 2 centre strands and up through the loop on the right hand side. Then pull to tighten. Now we're going to continue with our double half hitch knots to complete our first diamond shape. Take the second strand from the left and hold it diagonally across the other strands. This will be your filler cord. Take the strand immediately to the right of the filler cord and complete a double half hitch knot. Do this one more time on the next strand. Now take the second strand from the right and hold it diagonally across the other strands. This will be your filler cord. Take the strand immediately to the left of the filler cord and complete a double half hitch knot. Do this once more on the strand next to it. Here you can see how both filler cords have come to the centre of the design. Now we need to attach the two together to finish off this diamond shape. Here you need to continue with the filler cord from the right hand side and use what was the filler cord on the left hand side as the working strand. Complete a double half hitch knot, ensuring the two lengths of knots are tightly connected at the bottom of the diamond. Now continue with the same filler cord, working from right to left. Continue with your double half hitch knots until you reach the outer strand. When you reach the outer cord, once again we're going to change direction for the second part of the knot. Now we're going to select a new filler cord, which will be the fourth strand from the right. Once again, you'll need to complete your double half hitch knots, working from left to right. This forms a cross in the knots where the two diamond shapes will connect. When you reach the outer strand, switch the direction of the filler cord for the second part of the knot. Tie a single square knot using the 4 centre strands. Now we need to finish off our second diamond shape. Take the second strand from the left and complete double half hitch knots on the 2 strands immediately to the right of it. Now take the second strand from the right and do the same, working towards the centre. Once again, we need to connect the diamond shape at the bottom, continuing with the filler cord on the right. Continue with the same filler cord, working diagonally from right to left. This time, when you reach the outer cord, you'll need to complete a double half hitch knot, holding the filler cord in the same direction. Now take the fourth strand from the right and complete your double half hitch knot, working from left to right. Once again, when you reach the outer strand, complete your double half hitch knot, holding your filler cord in the same direction. To finish off this keychain, we're going to tie all the strands together using a gathering knot. For this, you'll need a 50cm length of coloured cord. Create a loop with the coloured cord and hold it against the keychain. Now you need to wrap the strands tightly using the coloured cord. Ensure both the loop at the bottom and the strand at the top remain accessible. Wrap around 1 cm of cord and thread the strand through the loop at the bottom. Now you need to pull on the top strand until the loop is about halfway through the wrapped cord. Trim the strands at the top and the bottom and then tuck inside neatly. Now all you need to do is trim the tassels at the bottom. Here I've left about 3 cm of length. Thanks for watching, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe for more step-by-step macrame projects.